Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can report a particular person on Twitter from your Android and iOS mobile phone. So the process for both Android and iOS is the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you can see right now I am on my Twitter account here. So whom you want to block or report, just click on search button here. And you can see search Twitter, just click on search Twitter and search his name here. So here you can see I just want to report John Cena account, just click on John Cena, and here you can see I just follow John Cena here. So if you want to report this channel, you can see on the top of the right corner these three dots here, just click on these three dots, and after that you can see lots of options here. So last option is report. You can see the report option, just click on report. So after that you can see lots of options here, so just click any one. So if I am not interested in this account, it's suspicious or spam, it appears their account is hacked, so just click any you want, any reason you want. So right now just click on I am suspicion or spam here. It's so just click another option that is a fake account, it's posting spam or trend or hashtags. Or here you can see three options. The first one is block John Cena, mute John Cena. So just block John Cena here. So here you can see I just blocked John Cena, and also I reported this account here, John Cena's. So this is the way you can report a channel. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you again in next video.